Okay, so we've got another statement here, okay, an identity where we've got the left hand side is identical to the right hand side, and we need to prove this. Okay, so if I first of all set out left hand side, LHS, and I'll start with the left hand side because I've got three brackets here which I can expand, multiply out, and if I do that, I hopefully then will get the right hand side, the equivalent on the right hand side, and then I've proved that this is equal to this. Remember now, this isn't an equation. We're not trying to work out what x is equal to. We're just literally trying to say, look, this is what this is. These are identical, okay? So when it comes to expanding three brackets, okay, you could multiply the first two, and then the resulting bracket then multiply by the last bracket. I personally prefer to keep the first bracket in place and multiply the final pair here, expand these, and then we'll go from there. So if I focus on this pair, the firsts, x times x is x squared, outers, x times 7 is 7x, inners, minus 5x, and lasts, minus 5 times 7 is minus 35. Okay, so if we simplify then that, I get x squared plus 2x minus 35. Okay, and then we're going to expand this, so we've got to multiply this bracket now by the three term brackets here. Okay, now the way to do that, of course, is just to focus to begin with on the 3x, okay, and multiply the 3x by everything in here. So I'm going to do 3x times x squared, which is 3x cubed. Then I'm going to do 3x times the 2x, which will be 6x squared. And then I'm going to do the 3x then by the last term in here. Well, 3 times 35 is 105, so minus 105x. Then I've done everything by the 3x now in here. Now let's focus on the 2. Let's times everything in here by the 2. So 2 times x squared is 2x squared. 2 times 2x is 4x. And 2 times 35 is 70, so minus 70 there. So then let's simplify it, and hopefully we get the right hand side. So 3x cubed, 6x squared plus 2x squared is 8x squared. So looking good so far. Minus 105x plus 4x is minus 101x, and then you've got that minus 70 at the end, and of course it's identical then to the right hand side. So all you've got to say is, look, it's identical to the right hand side, because we've got left hand side equals to the right hand side. We've proved the statement.